You can't make it to the party? Bummer. Man, it's such a bummer that we're not going to be able to go. Hi, friend. Welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Evelyn. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the American English expression, bummer. Now, in the first example, I said, you can't make it? Bummer. In the second example, I said, man, it's such a bummer. We're not going to be able to go. What does that mean? What am I talking about? Well, to understand this expression, you really need to understand the context that it's being used. We use the phrase, the expression bummer, to suggest that something is a shame. It's a letdown, it's a disappointment. And there are a couple of ways we can use it when we're speaking. You respond to something and say bummer just by itself, or you can say it's a bummer that. For example, you can't come to my party? Bummer. Or it's a bummer that you can't come to my party. What you have to remember is that this expression is to show disappointment. So you really want to use it when you find out news that is not pleasant or that makes you unhappy or makes you feel let down. That's the best opportunity to use this American English expression. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below and be sure to turn on your notifications so you know when we release a new video. See you next time.